Welcome. This time I'm recording. Pretty day, 55 degrees, warming up about maybe 80, 70 something, mid-70s hopefully. We're going on a road trip, second road trip of the year. Second. One to Florida. Oh, second one. East Georgia, Northeast Georgia, Clayton, Tallulah Falls, I think is how you say it. Tallulah. Anyway, I hope we get in. I don't know with all this, still got whatever. It's a 3-day road trip, 2 nights. This is a weekend trip, not an overnight. Run an intro, that's all I got to say. Oh, first time staying at Airbnb. We'll see how that works. Well, welcome back. Now we on the road. So we're gonna run up here and meet Steve, Teresa, and Rudy, and then we're gonna head to the waterfall. Yep. See you when we get there. Alright, we got everybody here. Teresa's new 2021. Waiting on Steve. 2021. Honda Go Wing DST. We'll get a picture of it. Well, we got everybody. We got 94 miles to get over to the Tallulah Falls. Tallulah, something like that. I don't know what this road you want me to turn up here for. Taking us the scenic route, I guess. Yeah, be good road if that's. We'll get around here. You see, it's Highway 53 up here in North Georgia. That big truck's in the way. We got a sport bike on our tail. I lost the rest of them. Figure he done shoot around. Looks like one of them MTs or something. Maybe it's a trip or treat. I mean, a tramp trip or treat. Can you see them? I don't know. We're gonna go round the boat. Around the boat. Is that what they call them in Canada? Around the boat? Around the boat. No, we didn't go all the way around the roundabout. We didn't even do nothing around about it. Oh yeah, come around. No, they got some cars coming. Woohoo! There he goes. He almost made a hood on him. Hope I got that. He's in such a big hurry now. He's gonna be a there he goes. Woohoo! Look at him go. Woohoo! Look at the sport bike. Let's give. Oh, he's coming into Dawsonville. Turner Pooch Grooming at Big D Barbecue. Now hiring all these restaurants. Look at the gun. Look at the gun. You see the gun barbecue grill? But this is also see the race car, because this is birthplace of NASCAR right here, Junior Johnson, and they used to run moonshining up in here. Yep. See if we see any more of them old-timey race cars. We gotta go around. This is a big roundabout. It goes around the courthouse. Dawsonville Historic Courthouse right there. You see the pool hall that they always go to somewhere down in there, I think. Yep, we're going around the roundabout. There you go, pool hall right there, Dawsonville Pool Hall, right there. At that one, right there next to the police station. Yeah, buddy, we gotta go this way. Uh-huh. 61 more miles to get over here to Tallulah Falls, to the waterfall. Yep, I don't know what we're gonna see. DQ. There's the Dawsonville's place right there. Got all a bunch of race cars in there. You need to come check it out sometimes. Yep. Oh, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed a little nature walk. And I guess this would be a roadside attraction in Odyssey. Goats on the roof. So, yeah, well, it's self-explanatory if we can find it. It's supposed to be right on this road right up here somewhere. Here we are. Goats on the roof. Roadside attraction. Goats on the roof. Goats on the roof. I hope everybody sees them coming. It's trouble. Big Billy. What? More? That one comes a running. Look at it. He ran over and get it. Go, 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 go. More, 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 more.
As far as it
Oh, yeah. It should be right up here somewhere. I'm guessing gotta be getting close there. Hideaway, go to the second drive. And this looks like it right here. Maybe this is it. Manor Drive. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. AirBnB. It's a paved road. Rock house, tree house, mill house, creek house. That's the tree house. The rock house. Huh? We going to the creek house. I'm glad it's paved. Yeah, buddy. I don't know what that house is. That's a big one. Dang. Oh, pine straw. I'm glad they paved it. Or it's paved, I should say. This is our creek house. We got the hideaway, don't we? I don't know. Is that it? 140, I guess so. Coming in hot. So this is a porch right here. You see we parked to buy it. We got our own patio. Got firewood. Creek going down through here. Got neighbors up there. Got our own waterfall that away. TV, fireplace. It's our room. Why you taking pictures of our room, laundry room, Rudy's room, Steve and Teresa room. I guess they gave us this room. We got TV, got a swimming pool. Yeah, in our bathroom. So you would check out that video right there, and that one. And hit the subscribe button. It's free.